clinging to an emotional comfort zone? Are you holding on to something that is making you feel miserable, but you're holding on because it's familiar, it's because it's what you know, and because you're hoping it's going to get better? If you feel like that, then this is for you. You are holding on way too tightly to something, and it is not serving you very well. Now, this could be a person, this could be a place, this could be a relationship. Yeah, wow. We have not so good energies here. This is mentally struggling, and this is emotionally struggling, feeling like you're carrying the weight of the world on your shoulders all the time, like an uphill struggle. See, their advice is to go walk away and be alone. That's their advice. However, it's not always that simple, is it? It's not always that straightforward, because you know you're committed, your heart's committed, your head's committed, you want to make this work. Now, this could be a serious relationship, or this could be something that's never quite got where you need it to go. However, you're in this, you're involved in this, and it's not easy to keep going. There are many things you've weighed up in this relationship, so you're aware of the bad things, you know, the pros and the cons, and the pros are probably outweighing, the cons are probably outweighing the pros right now, but you know, there's love here, and when there is that depth of emotion, it's not so easy, is it? Again, they're asking you to move on. Now, it's easy to say and hard to do. I'm going to take a look and see what their advice is with this, but I definitely feel as though, see, there we are again. We're not letting go because we love this person, or we have a depth of feeling and emotion and attachment. Now, are we staying because it's convenient? Are we staying because it's familiar? Are we leaving this person access to you? And in turn, that is actually making you emotionally blocked to others and, you know, something new, something fresh coming in. You're going to have a tower moment if you carry on. You are going to kind of break at some point because you're not getting what you need from this person. It's like breadcrumbing. You're getting little snippets of what you need here and there, but on the whole, you keep getting disappointed, back around and disappointed. The problem with this situation is you're both very attracted to each other. So when you're together, things are great. Physical is probably great as well. But as far as this person meeting your emotional needs and also your intellectual needs, it's difficult because we're not getting where we need to get. This person is moving super slow. There's a foundation there, yes. There's a, you know, we've built something, yes, but it's not in the areas of the relationship that you are now craving. Oh my gosh, because it's bringing back heartache, it's bringing back anxiety, worries, fears, all of these things. There is a breaking point coming. I cannot express that to you any clearer. The breaking point might not be what you think. The breaking point might be a new person that comes in that kind of opens your mind up and makes you think, actually, I want more, I need more. I'm not saying you meet somebody and you move on. I'm just saying something triggers you into thinking you need more. So you're struggling at the moment, but there is a breaking point coming. Please be careful. Please realize that you can have more, you can want more, you can have better conversation, you can have better care, love and affection of a person. It's not all just about that. So remember that, please. But if this is you at the moment that is struggling, please find the strength to kind of find that inner empress again, because you deserve more, you need more. And this person, although it does show they are moving in a direction, they are a little bit emotionally and mentally immature for you. They maybe cannot give you what you need and require. And so it doesn't make them a bad person. It just means they might never align with you. And you don't want your life on hold forever. So prepare for change.